Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to do about factorization by s squared. The square root of s where we have s. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have to ask ds. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we divide both sides by number 2. This one we change by u square. This one we change by u. S ds we change by du over number 2. Next, this one that is about for u everything to the power of 2. And now we need to create about number 2 multiplied by number 4 multiplied by 9 over 8. So this one in here, number 4, we need to put into 81 over 64 plus 175 over 64. Because we sum two numbers together, we have number 4. And we know that this is about identities, so we have 4u plus 9 over 8. Everything to the power of 2. And now we can use about integration by hyperbolic substitution. So this one in here, I will put into number 5 with the square root of number 7 over number 8. And I will use about 20, because if I put this one gone here, we have 175 over 64 20 square. This one and this one we can do about factorization. 20 square plus 1 we change by cos t square, and later that we simplify the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have for du equals to this one, and we have cos t dt. Next, because we don't have number 4 in here, so we divide both sides by number 4. So I will put this one gone here. Du we change by this one. So this one we have 175 over 64 20 square. So 175 over 64 we can do about factorization. So this one in here we have cos t square the square root of this one we have, that is about number 5 with the square root of number 7 over number 8, and we have cos t. So 1 over 2 with this one and this one, we have 175 over 512. So cos t and cos t, we have cos t square. So we have the second formula in here. Cos t square equals to cos 2t plus 1 over number 2. So I will put this one gone here. Number 2 I will put outside, and we have 1024. And now we have the final answer. The integration of cos 2t, we have 1 over 2 sin 2t. Number 1, that is about t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 5 with the square root of number 7 over number 8. And now we have t equals to arcsin of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. So about u, that is about s square. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.